Hi Joe, it's Shelly at Columbiana Cadillac Buick Chevrolet. I wanted to give you the quick walk around of the 2001 Ford F-150 you're interested in. I'll get it real close. You were asking about the rust. I'm not seeing too much up on the front, on the driver's side. There's some down the bottom of the door. Goes towards the back and the back wheel well. Passenger side. There's some more there. End up on and I'll give you a quick view of the inside. If you have any other questions, give me a call at 330-482-3331. Again, I'm Shelly. Thank you.